Do you struggle with hair fall and dream of having thick and luscious locks? Well, I've got you covered. Introducing the top 10 healthy foods that will help you control hair fall and promote thicker hair. 1. Let's start with eggs. They are a powerhouse of protein, biotin, and B vitamins, all essential for hair growth. 2. Next up, we have spinach, which is loaded with iron, folate, and vitamins A and C, promoting strong and healthy hair. 3. Don't forget about sweet potatoes. They are packed with beta-carotene, which our bodies convert to vitamin A for optimal hair growth. 4. Moving on to salmon, a fantastic source of omega-3 fatty acids that nourish the scalp, reduce inflammation, and promote shiny hair. 5. Avocados, anyone? They are not only delicious but also rich in vitamin E, which supports hair health and prevents hair breakage. 6. If you like nuts, grab a handful of walnuts. They contain biotin, vitamin E, and omega-3s, battling hair fall and improving hair elasticity. 7. Say hello to lentils, a fantastic plant-based protein source that provides essential minerals like iron and zinc for healthy hair. 8. Who doesn't love berries? They are packed with antioxidants that help protect hair follicles and promote hair growth. 9. Let's not forget about Greek yogurt, which is loaded with protein and vitamin B5, aiding in hair growth and reducing hair fall. 10. Last but not least, green tea. This beverage contains antioxidants that stimulate hair growth and promote healthy scalp circulation. These are just 10 of the many healthy foods you can incorporate into your diet for strong, thick hair. So, give your hair the love it deserves by adding these foods to your meals and enjoy the incredible results. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more hair care tips. Remember, healthy hair starts from within, so start nourishing your body today and say goodbye to hair fall.